Oh. Oh man. Is it raining already? Oh, I'm gonna go check on Kenzie. Kenzie! What, Mom? What do you want? It's raining right now. So what? Let me go back to bed, okay? Kenzie, I just want to say, you and Stacy won't be able to hang out. What do you mean? Well, if you didn't look outside already, you would probably know. Okay, fine, I'll look outside. Oh my gosh, it's a pouring down rain out there. I know it is. Now, just get to bed and just know don't get ready for tomorrow because you're not going to school. Whatever, I'm just going to go back to bed. Kenzie. I'm just gonna go ahead and start making dinner, and maybe Kenzie will come downstairs and just sort things out or something. Man. Okay, what should I make for Kenzie? I don't know what to make for Kenzie. I know, potato salad, her favorite. Hey, Mom. Hey, Kenzie. What's for breakfast? Oh, it's your favorite salad, dear. Oh, you mean the salad I like? Of course it is. Now, you can get like something like a little tiny snack from the fridge if you want. Yes, Mom, that would be great. And don't ruin your appetite, honey. Don't get anything like that's not good for you. Okay. Not from that fridge. I'll get a waffle and some milk. Okay, honey. Thank you for being healthy. And maybe get a banana afterwards. Yeah, once I get done with this milk. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go, get the mail from the mailbox. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get this apple. Okay, honey. Just finished the apple. Okay. Oh my gosh. It better not be raining. Yeah, it's raining. I'm gonna check the mailbox real quick. I don't know if there's anything in the mailbox. There's nothing in the mailbox. Ugh. That's so annoying. That's so freaking annoying. Really annoying, actually. Hey, honey. Oh, hey, Mom. I'm just finishing this apple. Good. Okay. Anyways, that was a good apple. Are you almost done with my salad? Of course I am, honey. And I'm gonna go sit over here and study for, like, next week's, school thing, whatever. Okay, go study. Do you have my book? Oh, I think so. Let me check my pockets. Here you go. Thank you. That really helped out. Now go study. Okay. What a sweet girl. Okay. Kenzie, food's ready. Oh, thank you, Mom. It's gonna be perfect. Where is it? I have to, like, clean the salad first because, you know, it's, like, you can't eat, like, without it. Fine, I'm just waiting here. Okay. Okay. Honey, here you go. Thank you, Mom. That really helped out so much. You're welcome. Just enjoy the food and take it upstairs with you. I can? Of course you can. Thank you. Okay. I don't know what to do now, so. Okay, so, yeah. This has been a great video, guys. Yeah, this has been a great video, guys. And so, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have an awesome day.